Hey, how's it going? In today's tutorial, we will be learning about strings, comments, and string slicing. So as I mentioned in the last tutorial, strings are a sequence of characters between quotation marks. So in this example, pineapple is the string. And if we just run that, it'll just say pineapple. Nothing new, nothing too crazy. That's just all it really does. So another cool thing that Python lets you do is write out comments. And comments are always started with a pound sign. And what they do is that they never run. So this never runs. This is invisible to the code. It's only there for your convenience. You can write yourself a few notes about the code, or even send messages to people who will be looking at your code. It's very useful, but it is never run by the program. So as you can see, we have pineapple output, but this didn't do anything. Now, if you wanted to find the number of characters in a string, all you have to do is type len, parentheses around the string, or variable containing the string. So this is done by writing len here, and finish that parenthesis, run, and we have 9, which is the amount of characters in the word pineapple. Now, if you wanted to print out a select section of pineapple, all you have to do is type the brackets. So from the starting character to the ending character that you wanted to type from. So it starts from position 0 to position 2, and this is going to look like this, pi. So P would be 0, and I would be 1, and it stops at 2. So the 2 right here tells Python when to stop printing out sections of the string. If you want to do even more, you can do 0 to 4, and that will give us pine. And if you don't even give it a place to end, it's just going to keep going until it reaches the end. And if you just want a single specific character, all you really have to do is type the character location. So for example, let's just write 3. And that's just going to give us E, which is right here at position 3. Another cool thing you can do is you can actually reverse the entire message by simply typing : -1, and that is going to reverse the order that pineapple is printed. So as you can see, pineapple is reversed right here. Now, let's say that you want to make the letters upper or lowercase. This is done by simply typing .lower, parentheses, running that, and all the characters in pineapple are now lowercase. This uppercase is lowercase now. And if you want to make it look really cool, you can write .upper, run that, and it's all capitalized. So that was pretty cool, and now, you're probably wondering how to replace certain words in a string by using the .replace. So let's have a quick example. X equals hey world, and we're going to update the variable x by writing x.replace, parentheses, hey, and hello. And then all you really have to do is just print x. Whoops, don't do that. Don't do that either. Okay, so print x. Run that, and we get hello world instead of hey world. And the reason this works is because the x has been updated with this new version of hey world. So you replace hey with hello. The string that you want to replace it with is right here. So the x is updated, and instead of hey world, we get hello world. So let me just show you what it looks like before. And as you can see, hey world right here, hello world after we replaced it. So another useful thing to learn about is .format. So let's make another example. Count equals, 5. Stuff equals sharks. And let's make a new message equals brackets and brackets .format. Count stuff. And let's just print out the message, and I will explain how this works real quick. So good, that worked, 5 sharks. So as you can see right here, these brackets act as placeholders for the variables count and stuff. So you can even see it highlighted. So when I press the bracket here, count is highlighted as well, which we all know equals 5. And when I press this area, stuff is highlighted, which equals shark. And when we print the message, we get 5 sharks. And this is actually in a string format, so we can actually write a bunch of random stuff like, wow, that is a lot of sharks. Run that, and boom, 5 sharks plus, wow, that is a lot of sharks. And that's what's so cool about the format. It just gives you a lot more freedom with manipulating strings and sentences. So I think that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.